up, guys? Welcome back to the Last Ronin channel. We want to thank everyone's support on the first video we just dropped and all the subscribers. Tremendous amount of love and support. We appreciate you guys a lot. Right now we're going to meet up with Nate, who lives in Austin currently. The first video was in our area, which is Arlington, and now we're going to shoot down in Austin and hopefully get some good content on Nate's S2000, and we'll see what we can do with it. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Alright guys, we are here at Nate's house. We got here Saturday actually, so it's next day. So we're just gonna break down this S2000 and
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Yeah, what's the deal?
Alright, so tell me about your S2000, man. What year is it and all that good stuff?
You got a 04 S2000, AP2.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Nothing really too crazy. It's got an OEM front lip on it. I got the Graham lights on there, you know what I'm saying? Just ignore the little fender I got going on right there.
You want to tell them the specs, or is that a secret?
Man, they 18 by 9.5, 38 offset.
Okay.
Y'all can go ahead and fit them. You just gotta roll your fenders. You know what I'm saying? I got the spoon-inspired engine bay, coil radiator, spoon hoses. I got the stock airbox, but it's cut up so the air flow right through it. Valve cover.
Where'd you get this stuff at?
Man,
I know they don't come OEM like that.
man, I had to plug into that boy.
Underground tuning.
Underground tuning.
Yeah.
Spoon oil cap, pretty much spoon inspired. That's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? That's how we got down on this one.
There you go. Spoon oil cap. Got some spoon hoses. Yeah.
Watching all my hot version videos.
Alright, let's move to the interior, I guess.
Yeah, it's got the hard top. Can't forget that. That ain't something like that.
Yeah.
That's a Rockstar Garage.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Inside, it's gonna be kind of hard to see.
This door. Damn, these floor mats though, with these P2M.
You know what I'm saying? Got them phase 2s. Battlecraft shift knob.
Okay.
Broadway mirror. You gotta have that in every car. I'm trying to remember where I got that button from on the e-brake. I got my air fresheners. You know what I'm saying?
You got the last Ronin. It's pretty dark here, but
got the last Ronin on deck.
Can't see.
Spoon steering wheel. Yeah, I'm still trying to get my drift car, but we might be able to make something happen with this one today.
Yes, sir.
We got that OEM wing. You know what I'm saying? Repainted.
Okay. Exhaust. What are you running?
NVIDIA Q300 catback with a Burke test pipe.
Okay.
So yeah, I don't got no cats. We don't need those.
Alright.
I'm a dog person anyways, you know what I'm saying?
So other than that, it's pretty much stock, you would say.
Yeah, stock to the core.
Okay.
You don't need much. You know what I'm saying?
Man, if you guys dig in this S2000, leave a like.
Yeah, drop a comment if I should keep it or if I should trade it. Let me know.
Yeah. So, alright, man. Well, thanks for the build breakdown. We're gonna see this shit slide.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, you want to see something?
Can we hear it? Or should
Shit.
you start it up at least for the viewers?
This hoe sounds quiet. Oh, this whole time I got this fire stick controlling my pants.
If you guys don't live in Texas, right now it's hot as shit, man. This shit sounds nice.
Pretty quiet for the most part, but you start hitting D-Tech, it get a little louder.
Alright guys, we are at a undisclosed spot right now, so this is the chance for the S2000 to shine.
Before y'all come at me talking about, oh, you ruining your tires. First off, these tires are already ruined. They're already bald, so we just gonna kill these off. Subscribe and like this video so I can buy some new tires. Yeah, don't get smacked. Get back or get smacked.
I'm gonna get back. Shit. Okay.
Wait till I get my bars up. That's what I'm talking about. Wait till I get my bars up. Yeah. Look. Woo. I'm a first timer. First timer. It's a little tight out here. I be going a little wide, but man, let me get a 40 and some seat time. And we gonna be right, man. Y'all be on the lookout for last Ronin, man.
Sure. Drop a like, comment, subscribe.
I just noticed there's a main street right there. I thought it was more in the cut. That's all right, because we in Mexico. It's all good. Sure. You see the jersey? I'm in Mexico City.
March, man.
Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie. It's getting a little crazy right there. Surprise, they tired. Got some stuff. They're a little chopped. My wheels a little dirty now. They weren't looking like that earlier. That's all right. Let's clean that up. You know what I'm saying? Man, one step closer to that drift game.
Yes, sir. We're gonna, they got a windshield banner he wants to put on, so we'll probably do that. And just for the end of this video, we're just gonna fuck around. So that's it.
Maybe get some boba, you know what I'm saying? Show a little day in the life, you know what I'm saying? Show the lady behind the camera, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can't forget that.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? And we're gonna get it right, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Damn, I forgot what it's like to be a drifter. I got smoke in my eye. Yeah, you still got it, player.
I still got it.
I didn't realize how loud that shit was.
Still got it.
It smells like a 240.
Show does.
That boy rocking.
Hey, about time.
Yes, sir.
That's crazy, bro.
We out here trying to make things happen for the viewers.
Drop a like, man. This man slid a S2000,
I
bro.
try to make the haters say, "Oh, you don't even got a drift car. How you do?" Don't worry about that. We gonna make do with what we got.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? All right, man. So we back at the crib. You know what I'm saying? We went and got some tacos. You know what I mean? Rode on the bird scooters and all that. So you know what I'm saying? What we about to do is do one more little thing for y'all. We gonna go ahead and throw this little banner on the S2K.
2000 needs some style, so let's do this.
You know what I'm saying? Some style points real quick. So we're gonna do this. And yeah, man.
Alright, so when we apply this windshield banner, we just set up the camera and do a time lapse so you guys don't have to see the bullshit.
Oh no, I dropped my soap. Oh shit, my bad. My bad, OG.
Don't drop the soap.
Don't drop the soap, for you know. Alright, so we got the banner on. Now we're just looking to see which one of these two we're gonna throw on there. I like the VTech Club if it was a different color, but I'm thinking this one right here. I think that's gonna be the one.
Yeah,
Alright, as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Got the gang with us. Banner is on, you know what I mean?
It looks nice.
You feel me? We looking good now. But it's getting a little late here. Ignore my music taste. Don't worry about that. And yeah, if y'all like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Even if you didn't like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Everybody link gonna be in the bio. And yeah, go ahead and make sure y'all get some stickers and some more at the last Ronin.
Appreciate everyone's support. It's so much love, and we're trying to push out every video. So it's kind of hard when, you know, Nate and I just live like 2 hours away. So we're gonna try our best, and you know, hope you guys enjoy.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Peace. I was gonna start sea-walking on these niggas with it. Oh, man.
Recording?
Yeah, I did.